Hi guys, this is Akshita and welcome back to my channel. As you might know from the title, today I'm going to share with you everything I got from Hill Road and Colaba Causeway Market. So come, let's get started. So yeah, let's start with the Hill Road. I'll start with the clothes. The first one is this top which I'm wearing right now. This is such an amazing top. It's almost like the H&M Zara quality. It is very stretchable and breathable. I got this top for 150 rupees. Yes. And the color, as you can see, the color is amazing. I love this color. So this is the first product that I got. The second one, so this is the top. It's a nice floral print top. I got it in this bluish color. My sister got it in yellow. And I just love it. It's so summery and Pinteresty. I mean, the print, the cloth, the material, it's cotton, it's nice, it's soft. I washed it so I know that it didn't shrink, and it's the print and especially the neck. It has sweetheart neckline. I haven't worn it yet, but I can't wait to wear this and go out. This we got for 250 each. This would look so nice with white pants mostly, or you can style it with jeans as well. So this is the second top which thirdly I got linen pants. This is amazing. The cloth, the material, it's so soft. It's proper linen. It is not see-through. Actually, I tried it there. So I went inside the trend store and I tried it in their trial room because I did not want to come home and then I regret buying this because he did not bargain. I got this for 700 rupees. Yeah, I know for street shopping this price might look expensive, but the quality is amazing, and after trying it I did not regret spending 700 rupees for this because it is so nice. Next thing is, I can't begin to tell you for how long I had been looking for a pair of jeans that fit good, that looked good, that was of the perfect denim color, and that wasn't a budget. So I got all of that in one place. If you need the exact shop details, please comment below. I'll get them from my sister and I'll let you know definitely if you'll ask. The jeans, oh my god, again, I can begin to tell you, I was so happy when I got these. This is the jeans. I think you can see the material and judge for yourself. It's super thick, alright? It's thick denim material. The color, it's perfect blue. It's not very dark, it's not very light. It doesn't have any weird kind of washes. I have worn it already, so yeah, that is why it looks a little wrinkled. Amazing. I got for 700. He was quoting 800. He reduced only 100 rupees. He was not ready to bargain. The problem at Hill Road is that they don't bargain a lot. You can bargain at Colaba, but I don't think you can bargain on Hill Road. They have fixed prices. They don't agree. They stop giving you bhav. If you will be like, nahi hum ja rahe hain, they'll be like, haan theek hai, jao. Now the next is jewelry. I got quite a few pieces. There was this shop which is named as Paglan. It has huge variety of jewelry, all the trendy pieces. So let me start showing it to you. First are these basic hoops. I hope they are visible clearly. I got these for 150 rupees. Amazing, right? They are not exactly the teardrop style. They are smaller, but they are perfect for wearing to office. I mean, they are very minimalistic and they look super cute and chic. The next are hoops again. So these are the second one. These are longer. They are a bit elongated in a similar shape, I can say. Not exactly same, but these are longer. and same 150 rupees. Amazing find. I love these kind of earrings. Very minimalist, soft. Actually, these are perfect to wear to office. You can style them effortlessly. Just put them on. They are perfect to wear to office. Had 3 earrings, 150, 50 rupees each. Next are so cute. I just love them. It's so trending right now. Are you ready? It's these bow earrings. I've already worn them. Oh my god, these are so cute. One of my favorites after hoops. So these, yeah, these are the earrings, the ethnic ones. I got these because they were in the color green. I thought green is a versatile color and I can pair it up with a lot of things. With many colors, green goes well. Next, I got a couple of bracelets. So one of which I am wearing right now. This is the first one. This is the first one. I got this for 200. Not bad. The quality is quite good. This is sturdy, this is heavy, and it looks so nice as a stack with your watch. And the other one is this, again a dupe of a popular design, but yeah, perfect for stacking. This is a little bit loose on my hand, but I can fix it. It is adjustable. So this is the third one. These are the two bracelets which I got. Go to the shop. I mentioned the shop name, right? Paglan. The shop name is Paglan. They have all of the trending variety of jewelry. Amazing. Next is chain. I got this snake chain. This is for 150. It had a pendant as well, but I lost it. Yeah, so that was everything that I got from Hill Road. So now let's move on to Colaba. So let's start with clothes again. Not too many clothes, but yeah, there are a lot of stores that sell cotton kurtis, basic cotton kurtis, 300 rupees each. No bargaining there because they have mentioned their fixed price. So I got a couple of kurtis from there. The first one is this basic black kurti. The cotton material is super nice. It is in size XXL because I wanted it to be a little loose. This is perfect for wearing to office with a black pant or black jeans. I have worn this quite a few times in the office and I love it. It's so comfy. It's a short kurti. It's very comfortable. The material is so good. I have washed it a couple of times. The color does not bleed. So this is the first piece. The second kurti is this. I loved the color and the print, so I got it, and it is having full sleeves. This was the second reason I got it because I wanted a kurti with full sleeves for so long. This is a short. It is actually between kurti and top. Yeah, this one is the other kurti which I got. Third one is a chikankari kurti. I have long chikankari kurtis. I don't have a short one. So when I saw this, and I don't even have a white. White is such a basic color to have in chikankari. So I got this white chikankari kurti. Again in XXL size because I wanted it to be flowy. It is a little bit see-through, but again with white cotton kurtis, it's fine. You can wear nude colored undergarments in this and it will not show. Work here is so nice. There are no loose threads going on in front. Obviously at the back they have it because that is the way it is made, but overall this is nice. I have washed this as well. Oh my god, I stained it with my lipstick. I have stained it. So this is the kurti. I got this for 250 rupees, I believe. 200. I think we wanted it for 200, but then he did not agree, so we got it for 250. This is the third thing, and fourth one is a shirt. This is a formal shirt and they have written here American Eagle. I'm not sure if this is original or just like, you know, rejected pieces. It might be that. This is this shirt. Again, it's big, but this is oversized. This is extra small, you guys, if you can see, and still it is big. I think this is the oversized version. This blue and white striped shirt is just, it has been going around, right? So that was just the perfect thing to get to wear to office. I love this. I wear this with blue jeans, I wear this with green pants. I love it. I have worn this, I have washed this. Amazing quality. We bargained a lot. There was a lady, एक आंटी थी हमारे साथ, and we were like कि हम दोनों खरीद लेंगे, कम कर दो, हम दोनों खरीद लेंगे, कम कर दो. He was not ready. He was not agreeing. He came down. He started with 800. Okay, he started with 800. I got this for 350. We were like, give it to us for 250. We both will buy it. He did not agree. Finally, we decided कि कोई बात नहीं, 350 में ले लेते हैं. 350 में भी इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं मिलेगा. That auntie was a pro. She even had a measuring tape with her. Tip guys, whenever you go shopping to a local street market, Sarojini Hill Road, please carry measuring tape with you, because you cannot try the clothes there. That is the one thing I learned from her. You can carry a measuring tape. You can ask them to measure your waist, measure the clothes. I stole that idea from her. So yeah, these are all the clothes which I got. That is jewelry. I did not get any from Colaba because I got sufficient amount from Hill Road. I did not need anything from Colaba, so I did not get anything there. After that, from Colaba market, I got sunglasses. These are so nice. The first one is this. This so minimalistic. ये अभी आजकल चल रहा है ऐसा थोड़ा, है ना? The shape is so unique and it looks so nice. Amazing, right? And it looks nice here as well. This was like a steal. Again, this one I tried to bargain a lot. I wanted to get them for 150 each, but he was hell-bent. He did not agree. He was like, no. इससे कम तो हम नहीं करेंगे. They bargain, but they have their prices fixed. कि इससे कम तो हम नहीं करेंगे. The other one is this. This is also similar type. थोड़ा बड़ा है ये उससे. वैसे ही है side से. Now I'm realizing, why did I get both in silver? I could have gotten one in gold, right? Or the second pair. Ooh. Both are equally amazing. This is a little bigger than the other one. This was smaller. You can see side by side. A little smaller, but yeah, for my face. These just amazing, you guys. I wanted them for 150. He did not agree. I got them for 200 each. Still, 200 is not bad. These are amazing. These are not loose. These are heavy duty, high quality sunglasses. I like them a lot. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि वो इसी वजह से नहीं करते हैं प्राइसेस कम, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि लोगों को अच्छा लग गया है तो वो लेके ही जाएंगे. टिप नंबर 2, नेवर शो टू द शॉपकीपर दैट यू लव द प्रोडक्ट एंड यू विल बाय इट एनीवे, बिकॉज इफ दे सी इट इन योर फेस, फिर आप आगे नहीं कर पाओगे. उसके बाद तो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज उनको पता चल चुका है कि यार इस बंदी को ये अच्छा लग गया, ये लेके जाएगी, अब इससे कम प्राइस नहीं, क्योंकि अगर पसंद है तो इंसान वो लेगा. I think they saw it somewhere in my face. This is the phone cover that I got. Again, there was a lot of variety, and personally I like the silicone covers, neutral colored silicone covers, but this caught my eye and I wanted to experiment a bit, so I got this. See, this is so nice. Mirror, yeah, hey, you can see me there. Yeah. So this was the phone cover. I liked it a lot and I thought it will help me for vlogging. Like, you can see clearly everything. So if I'm vlogging from my back camera, I can see what is visible. So that is why I got it. It's really cute. It has these small tulips on it. So pretty, right? So this is the last thing which I got from Colaba market. That was all I got from Mumbai. The street shopping experience in Mumbai is quite something. I just love it. Every single time I go to Mumbai, I have been to the Fashion Street, Bandra, Hill Road. I have been to Colaba, I have been to Linking Road Market, I have been to that as well. I just love it. I haven't been to Delhi Sarojini Nagar yet, hoping to visit there soon and shop a lot. I just want to go to Sarojini so bad. But for now, this was it. That was all of the things that I got from Hill Road. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe to my channel so that I can keep creating such content for you guys, and we'll meet in the next one. Until then, goodbye.